Hello, my name is Ajit, and in this video I will demonstrate how to set up a static website on S3 bucket. So Amazon S3 provides an option for a low-cost web hosting services for the static website where you don't need to change the content of the website frequently. Means if you have created a static website on HTML or a JavaScript using JavaScript, you can easily host on S3 bucket. So you don't require any web hosting solution. You don't require cPanel. You just need a AWS account with the S3 bucket created on it. So you can host a static website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's very easy to store. So for the DNS purposes, you can use Amazon Route 53 services of DNS on AWS. So let's start how to host a website on static on Amazon S3 bucket. So first of all, log into your S3 account. So you can see I am already logged into my S3 account. You can say my AWS account. You need to go to the services. Under services, you need to go to under storage. Under storage, you can go to S3 storage services. Once you open, you need to create a bucket with the unique name. So I'll create a bucket with thinkIT India. You can say think website. Click next. A location, you can choose the nearest location where you want to host. So I'm using a Asia Pacific called Mumbai. Click next. So I'm not changing any options here, especially on the versioning and the server access log. I'll keep it as default one. Click next. So right now I have enabled the block for all public access. So right now my bucket will be not accessible from the public network. Click next. It will create a bucket. So you can see think website bucket is already created. Now we log into the S3 bucket thinkIT. So now we need to upload our HTML file, or you can say website, on the S3 bucket. So I'll go to my download folder. I have some demo websites which is based on HTML. So you can see it's a demo website. You can use the option drop and drag. Next, use the default setting as a standard permissions. Next, the storage class, if you want to use an intelligent tiering, you can use that. Right now you can use the standard, which is the default one. Next, and upload. You can see the status bar. The uploading is started. All my files related to my static website is uploaded to my S3 bucket called think website. So now we need to go to the properties. Under properties, you can see a column called static website hosting. You need to click on that, and you need to select the option use this bucket to host a website. Click on that. The index document, which will be our landing page of the website, or if you have created any error document or error HTML file, you can give the name also, otherwise leave as a default one. Click on save. Now you can see your bucket is used for the static website hosting. So once you click on that, it will give you the endpoint URL to access the website from your internet. You can click on that. So right now you can see the access is denied because we have not enabled our bucket to access from the public world. So now, next of all, we need to go to the permissions. Under the permissions, bucket block public access, we need to click on edit, and we need to disable this option and click on save. Now you need to type a confirm. So now your bucket is accessible from the public network. So now we need to create a bucket policy so the people or the users can access their website. So for that, if you have already created, otherwise you can click on policy generator. So first of all, you need to select a policy type. We are using S3 bucket policies. So that next is add a statement. We are allowing principal anything action. So you need to select the action. Called get object. So only we need to choose a action called a get object, so people from the outside world can see the content of our website. Then you need to give the ARN. ARN means the bucket name with ARN. So you can go to the S3 management console and you can see the ARN here. You need to copy, paste it under here, and you need to use backslash star, means any content in this particular web bucket will be accessed from the outside world. And then you need to click on add statement and generate a policy. So this is a policy which is for the static web hosting. You need to copy that. You need to go to S3 management console, paste it and click on save. So once you click on save, you can see now this bucket has publicly access. So now you can access your website from the internet market. So you need to go to the page, you need to refresh. So now you can see your web page is displayed on the public network. So this is the way you can host any static website on S3 bucket. So thanks for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe.